Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play against bots in TF2. First, you will learn to set up a local server, which is your personal training ground. Then, I'll show you how to easily add and manage bots using simple console commands. We'll also cover selecting from 5 different bot difficulty levels, ranging from easy to expert, to match your skill. This guide will help you practice and improve your gameplay effectively. Customizing your bot experience is straightforward with console commands. Use TF bot add to spawn bots, specifying a number like 10 or even a class like Scout. You can set their difficulty from 0 to 4 using TF bot difficulty. To assign bots to a specific team, use MP auto team balance 0 and MP teams unbalance limit 0 before adding them. This allows for highly specific training scenarios. Playing against bots offers numerous benefits for improving your skills. It's a low-pressure environment where you can focus on refining your aim and movement mechanics. You can freely experiment with all 9 classes and various weapon loadouts without affecting your team. This also provides an excellent opportunity to learn map layouts, discover health and ammo pack locations, and practice strategic positioning against predictable opponents. For advanced training, you can delve into more specific bot controls. Commands like navgenerate can create navigation meshes on custom maps, allowing bots to function properly. You can also set bot objectives, such as having them push the payload or capture control points. By using TF bot, keep class-specific special purpose 1. Remember to use SV cheats 1 to enable many of these advanced commands for truly customized practice sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.